Hi guys, welcome back. So today we will see few more questions which you are seeing in my screen. Okay, so these are very basic questions. Okay, but sometimes these basic questions also few candidates won't be able to answer. If their basics are not clear, then it's very difficult to solve the scenarios. Okay, so we will see two scenarios today. The first question saying find the day in which Christmas festival will fall. Okay, so we what output it's expecting is like on Christmas, like every year Christmas will fall on 25th of December. Okay, so this year 25th of December will fall on Wednesday. Okay, because I have checked in the calendar and let's I will show I will show you. If you see December calendar, just see here 25th of December is falling on Wednesday. Okay, so we need output as Wednesday. Okay, so let's apply some logic and get the output at as Wednesday. Okay, let me create one test case. Find Christmas day. Okay, so we'll take one buffer. Okay, we'll rename the buffer as same as the test case name. And so to find Christmas day, first we need to check which function will give us a day. Like today is Tuesday, like which function will give a day. Okay, so just open curly braces and see here we have a day. A day will give us Tuesday, which is giving only 3 characters. Okay, either we can make use of this 3 characters also or full characters. So this is one option, and we will see which function will give a full weekday. Okay, so um, L date will give full date. Okay, L day will give a weekday in full format. Okay, we'll use L day. Okay, let me just print L day and see translate value. Okay, perfect. This is giving Tuesday. So one thing we found. Next thing is like, okay, next thing we need to use the date function. Okay, and this will give today's date. Okay, correct. But we want uh, 25th of December. Okay, suppose if I give 25.12 dot is 2024. Okay, and okay, this will give our same date, whatever base date I have given. But if I pass this particular date inside L day, okay, if I pass this and translate, see, we are getting our output as Wednesday. Okay, so if I run this, It is giving buffer with day has been set to value Wednesday, which was the expected output. Okay, but the problem here is we have hard coded the year here. Okay, suppose now the same um, step, if I run in next year, this step will give wrong answer because it will always give a day for 2024. Okay, Christmas for 2024. For example, let me just adjust the date and time. Okay, just to give date and time set automatically. I will just change to 2025. Okay, 2025. Okay, now if you can see here date is changed to 2025. If I again translate this value, still it's giving me Wednesday. But if you open the calendar for December 2025, the Christmas is falling on Thursday, not Wednesday. Okay, so in that case, what we have to do, you have to just tweak this syntax little bit. Okay, first we need to see um, which function will give year in this 4 digit. Suppose if I use year, it is saying year result in 2 digit. Okay, but we want year in 4 digit. Okay, if I use L year, okay, okay, if I use L year, it is it's giving me year in 4 digit. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just cut here and in, instead of year I will pass here year. Okay, now just see when I run this. Oh, there is some issue with license. Okay, leave it. Let me translate. See here, it is giving value as Thursday, and if you check for 2025, Christmas is falling on Thursday. Okay, same way, suppose I I will change this date to 2027. Okay, I'll change to 2027. Okay, and let me just run this, translate this. Again, it's giving on Wednesday. Sorry, it has not changed. Let me change it. Okay, 2027 change. Okay, so it's changing 2027. Let's run it and check. It's giving Saturday. Okay, let's check. This is 2027 December calendar, and 25th is falling on Saturday. Okay, and here also we are getting value as Saturday. Okay, so this was very simple, but for that, if basics are clear, then easily we can solve such scenarios. Okay, now our second scenario was like we have a number separated with special character. Okay, sometimes what will happen, you might with come up with scenario like some amount will be there. Okay, when you are working with banking application, some amount is there with separated with comma, and you have to validate like that. Okay, you have to do some um, addition, then um, validate the sum, like that we have to validate. Okay, so we'll see how we can achieve this. Okay, Tosca, let me take one more buffer here. um okay, I'm just taking buffer inside the same test case Christmas day. Okay, instead of taking separate, I'm just created one, taken one buffer here. Okay, I'll just define two buffers. Okay, like a and 2 comma 234. Okay, so these are two buffers and we have to add it. Okay, and we have to add it, and the result should be in this format, 3 comma 468. Okay, so to add in Tosca, we use either math function or calc function. Okay, so calc function is nothing but a Excel function. Okay, if you have Excel installed in your system, then you can make use of calc function. Okay, so now also we will use calc function. Okay, so let me first add this. Okay, we'll use calc, and this is the syntax of calc. Okay, now we have to add. Okay, we have to add, we'll pass buffer of a plus buffer of b. Okay, buffer of a plus buffer of b. Okay, let's first check. Okay, let's first run. Okay, so test case is failed. Okay, see what it is saying. The expression 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 or 2 comma 234 is not a valid MS Excel formula. Okay, this is saying this is not a valid Excel formula. As I told, calc function is a Excel function. Okay, so why this is throwing error? Because whenever you will use calc and some numbers, okay, with a special character, so we have to escape those character. Okay, if you go to the Google and search like number formatting, okay, or calc function, then you will find it like we have to escape it. How we escape? See, if you are using buffer, means you have to give four double quotes. Okay, if you are using number directly, then you have to use three quotes. Okay, now I have used four quotes, right? See, I have used four quotes. Now it will consider, accept, the Tosca will accept this format. Okay, see here we are getting value 3468. If you add this value, you will get 3468. But our requirement is we want 3 comma 468, but we don't have comma here. Okay, for that also, okay, for that we have to use some syntax. Okay, so I will tell you the syntax. Okay, so we have to use some syntax like calc, then we have to use text, and then close the bracket. Okay, and inside text just pass this syntax. Okay, and then give comma and format, which format we want. Okay, so there is one format for this particular syntax, like to define comma. Okay, so we have to use follow this syntax. Okay, 3. Okay, let me cut this and paste here. Okay, So if I translate this value, you will see 3 comma 4 6 8, which was our expectation. 3 comma 4 6 8. Okay, with this you can play. Okay, if you use, suppose if it is dot. Okay, in case if it is dot, for example it is dot, now it's a, we are having, instead of comma we have dot, and just for example instead of comma I have given dot here, then just see what it will do. Just see here, now it has added, and after decimal it has given one digit. Okay, so it has given precise value. Just see here, if you add normally it will be 3.468. Okay, then it has converted to 3.5. Okay, and again we'll do one more experiment. Suppose instead of dot I will give comma here, and let me run, or let me translate it. See, this time it is not giving any decimal value, it is directly, it is giving integer value. When I use dot here, it has given decimal value like 3.5 after round off. Okay, and when I change to semicolon, sorry, when I change to comma, you see here it has removed decimal part and it is giving only integer part. So like that we can play with the syntax. Okay, oh, so these are the two scenarios, basic scenarios I can say, which I wanted to tell you guys. Okay, okay, just uh yeah, I'm done for today's session. Okay, if you guys have any doubt on the syntax, or if you want any other topic or any other scenario which you have, or recently which you have um, faced during interviews, so you can comment those scenarios or questions, and what I will do, I will go through it and I will prepare a video on that, so that it will be helpful for you, and it will be helpful for others as well who are preparing for Tosca interview. Okay, okay, thank you guys, bye, take care.